You know, most of the English I speak today, I learn it from songs. I used to listen to music like crazy, and that's where I picked up vocabularies and pronunciation without realizing it. Not only does it make learning more enjoyable, it can help you improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, listening skill, even with your confidence. So, in today's video, I'm going to share exactly how I learn English with music, step by step. Before we start, I want to tell you something important. Simply listening to song won't magically make you fluent, but if you use song in the right way, they can become a fun and effective learning tool. So let me show you the process I follow. 1. Choose a song you genuinely like. First step is simple. You need to choose a song that you enjoy listening to. Don't choose a song because someone says it's good for learning. If you enjoy a song, you will naturally listen to that song again and again. And repetition is one of the best ways to learn a language. For me, I often learn through musics that I love, that I genuinely love, because I never get tired of listening to them. So I always choose those songs that I actually like, not because it contain a lot of vocabularies or phrases. Just choose a song you enjoy. Step 2. Listen to the song without looking at the lyrics. Once you have chosen the song, now listen to it without looking at the lyrics. Just focus on what you can hear. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, it's completely normal. Your goal isn't about understanding every word. Your goal is to train your ears. Step 3. Read the lyrics. So, as you already listened to the song a few times, now it's time to listen to the song again, but this time with the lyrics. This is when you will start noticing the words you missed before. You'll be like, oh, that's what they were saying. This step helps connect the spoken words with the written words. Honestly, this is one of my favorite moments because I feel like I'm solving a puzzle. Step 4. Look up unfamiliar words and expressions. Now, don't try to learn every single word. That can be overwhelming. Instead, try to pick a few words, vocabularies, expression that seems useful or interesting. Look up their meaning and try to understand how they are being used in the song. You can even write them in your notebook and try to make sentences with those vocabularies expression. Step 5. Sing along. Now comes the fun part. Sing along with the song. No, you don't need a beautiful voice. This is not a singing competition. I love listening to music and sing along with it. And I don't have a good voice. It's not like I sing so well. I don't sing well, but I love singing. So just sing along with it. The goal is to practice pronunciation and the rhythm. When you sing along, you are training your mouth to produce English sounds naturally. So that's my simple process to learn English with music, and it is a really great and fun way to learn English. I would like to tell you one thing: keep coming back to the same song. Most of the people listen to the song and move on, but if your goal is language learning, then repetition is your best friend. Listen to the song multiple times over several days. Don't underestimate the power of repetition. If you ever learn English through music, let me know your favorite song in the comments. Would love to hear your recommendations. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more video like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.